Quiz Platter. A platter full of knowledge. Guess the cricket legends by their pictures. Guess the first cricket player. Answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Kumar Sangakkara. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Ricky Ponting. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Mahela Jayawardene. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Jacques Kallis. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Virat Kohli. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Rahul Dravid. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Brian Lara. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Sanath Jayasuriya. Guess the cricket player. Answer is A.B. de Villiers. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Inzamam ul Haq. Guess the cricket player. Answer is MS Dhoni. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Steve Waugh. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Hashim Amla. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Sourav Ganguly. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Ross Taylor. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Sunil Gavaskar. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Virender Sehwag. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Graeme Smith. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Tilakaratne Dilshan. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Steve Smith. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Joe Root. Guess the cricket player. Answer is David Warner. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Mohammed Yusuf. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Yunis Khan. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Aravinda de Silva. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Matthew Hayden. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Adam Gilchrist. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Viv Richards. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Javid Miandad. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Alistair Cook. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Saeed Anwar. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Kevin Peterson. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Greg Chappell. Guess the cricket player. Answer is David Gower. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Clive Lloyd. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Desmond Haynes. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Gordon Greenidge. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Faf du Plessis. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Andy Flower. Guess the cricket player. Answer is VVS Laxman. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Babar Azam. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Shikhar Dhawan. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Ian Bell. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Justin Langer. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Mark Taylor. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Dilip Vengsarkar. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Don Bradman. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Andrew Strauss. Guess the cricket player. Answer is Muhammad Azharuddin. Quiz, Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.